Hiya, kids. I'm Lipton W Moose, back again, and I keep the world's biggest collection of cartoons right here in my garage. But the boxes are beginning to pile up, so now I have to get rid of them, one at a time. So, welcome back to Rummage Sale Toons. I'll show you a cartoon and throw in some Toon trivia for free. Today's cartoon is one of the very first Woody Woodpecker cartoons. A lot of cartoon characters change appearance over the years, but none of them ever change as much as Woody Woodpecker. Here's a drawing of how he looked at the beginning, and then how he finally looked when he had his own TV show. I'm not sure I'd even recognize him if I saw him in the street or up in a tree. Our cartoon this time is called Pantry Panic, and it's all about Woody not flying south for the winter with the other birds, so he has nothing to eat. That happens a lot in cartoons. Have you ever been so hungry you couldn't think straight, Snakely?
I never can think straight. I always think crooked.
What do snakes like to eat, Snakely?
We love spaghetti, one noodle at a time. It goes down so smooth. Spaghetti just seems to fit somehow.
Hey, I like spaghetti too, with mozzarella sauce.
And chocolate mousse for dessert?
Oh yeah.
I think maybe you haven't seen the end of this cartoon yet.
Oh no, there goes the music. We've gotta go.
Come on, Focus. The weatherman's right. We better go south right away. You said it. Winter's coming. Winter's coming.
What a day for a swim. Hey, Pop, where's everybody going?
We're all going south. Groundhog says a terrible blizzard's coming.
Go on. That guy don't know his shadow from a hole in the ground.
You'll freeze to death if you stay here.
And you won't have any food either.
Don't worry about me. I got plenty of food. And right now, I'm going swimming. Must be hard water in this lake. Blow your head off. See if I can. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food. Go on and blow.
I'm that hungry little kitty cat you just read about. I'm so hungry I could eat a woodpecker. Yeah, that's it.
Pardon me, buddy. That's probably the grocery man. Come in. You're just in time for dinner.
Yeah? What are you gonna have for dinner?
I'm gonna have catfish.
Yeah?
Let me take your scarf.
You know, I think that pigeon tried to choke me.
You must be pretty cold, buddy.
No, I ain't cold.
Oh, yes, you are. Step over by the fire and get warm for dinner. Oh, boy. Feline fricassee. You missed me.
Now, my fine pigeon, I'm going to pick you dry. Mice.
Moose.
Meat. That was pretty good. But you know I'm still hungry.
Yeah? So am I.
Whoa, Snakely, you were right about the end of that cartoon. How could they do that to such a cute moose? He was my favorite character, too.
Woody and the cat really liked him too, especially with ketchup.
Luckily, this was just a cartoon. Nothing real ever happens in cartoons. All eaten up 1 minute, just fine the next.
You got that right. I was expecting that crazy bird to blow up into a million pieces, at least once. Then he'd be back again in the next scene.
You might have recognized Woody Woodpecker's trademark laugh when he was jumping off the diving board. That was invented by Mel Blanc, one of the greatest cartoon voices ever. He created the voices of most of the Warner Brothers cartoon characters, along with lots of others. He said he used to laugh like that in the hallways at school. Maybe that's not such a good idea for you kids. Another of Woody's trademarks was to pop up out of a hole in a tree and say, "Guess who?"
Guess who?
Hey, Snakely, don't do that.
See you next time. Don't let it take you by surprise.